It's a very sensitive issue for me because I have been fighting all my life. It's been a war that I have been fighting since I was 9 years old. Generally, it was because of the work I had to always have done. I would go and do it, but I didn't like it. When I came into Dr. Atcha, I was really unhappy with my teeth. My confidence level, everything was just in the tank, so to speak. And I wanted something done. I was really tired of the way I had a crooked smile. It was just depressing to me. When he explained that I would have permanent teeth, I would never have to take these out, I was a very happy person. I can't even explain it to you what it has done for me. I was awake, but I didn't feel anything. I didn't, because they talked to me and asked me to do certain things and I could respond to them, but I didn't feel anything. Even afterwards, it was amazing. I do feel Dr. Atcha is different from other dentists because there's just a comfort level that, you know, I don't feel with other dentists. You don't go into the chair and you feel like all tensed up. It doesn't make you scared to come in. It really doesn't. I would highly recommend Dr. Atcha. If you are looking to do implants, you should absolutely see him because I really lucked out when I found him. I love my teeth. Dr. Atcha is almost a god.